To the Wilson family, Nancy, Steve, William, Isaac, and Pete. In behalf of our family, Ryan Arginino, and our grandchildren, we sincerely extend our deepest sympathies and condolences to you all. The passing of our dearest Trish hurts beyond words. A part of us left with her, yet our love and beautiful memories about her will live in our hearts forever. Trish treated us like her own family, loved us with all sincerity and might. We couldn't ask for more. She was with us for over 25 years, and through all those years, she was loyal and true, trusting yet forgiving. She loved us truly and sincerely. My family and I thank the Lord for knowing and loving Trish, for being such an integral part of our lives, not just professionally, but a part of our family. As a doctor, we feel helpless when confronted with a scenario like Trish's. This is a time when we seek for God's intervention. Trish has gone through a lot. God decided to stop her painful agony. This is not goodbye, Trish. We'll see you again. We truly love you. To the whole Wilson family, treasure the beautiful years you spent with her. Her heart and soul were totally devoted to you all, most especially Isaac and Pete. So long, Trish. Doc, Ched, Ryan, RG, Nino, and family. When we leave this earth, the love that we've given and received remains behind to light the lives of those we touched. Each memory, a candle burning bright, wishing you comfort in knowing how brightly love shines on.